So today we are gonna learn about the linear equation. Now when you observe the word linear equation carefully, you find the word line in the word linear, which definitely has got to do something with straight line. And when we look at the word equation, it compels us to think in terms of LHS, which should be equal to RHS. Now, if you remember your lessons from the polynomial, we learned that an expression having its highest degree as 1 is considered as a linear polynomial. Like, for example, 2x minus 4. Now this is an expression which has its degree as 1. Now a question arises as in how to convert an expression into an equation. So here we use the concept where LHS should be equal to RHS. As in, for example, 2x minus 4 is an expression, but what should it be equated to make it or convert it into an equation? So here we use the concept of zeros of the polynomial, as in we put the value of expression as 0. Let's take an example. Let's put 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, and by using algebraic method we can solve for x. But the question now is, can we solve it graphically? Well, let's try. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. That was our prior question. So what we do is we put y is equal to 2x minus 4, and then we make a table for x and y, and for some values of x we find its respective value, and then we use two mutually perpendicular lines and plot this value and check whether these values are giving us a straight line, because the degree of this expression is 1, so we should get a straight line. Now from here we can judge that polynomials having degree as 1, which is considered as a linear equation, when solved graphically should give us a straight line. Now let's solve for x. 5x minus 8 is equal to 3x plus 2. As you can see that the degree of this variable x is 1. So when we solve this graphically, we should get a single value of x, which is 15 in this case. Now let us try to solve this question in graphical method. So here we are getting 2x minus 30 is equal to 0. Let y is equal to 2x minus 30, and then let's make a table for x and y. For some values of x, we'll get a respective value of y, and then we draw two mutually perpendicular lines and try to plot these points on the graph and check whether we are getting a straight line or not. As the degree is 1, we should get a straight line. Now let's try a word problem. A teacher has 45 chocolates. After giving 2 chocolates to each student, she is left with 7 chocolates. How many students are there in the class? Let's say the number of students in class be x. Number of chocolates distributed is x into 2. Number of chocolates left over was 7. So 2x plus 7 is equal to 45. 2x is equal to 38 and x is equal to 19. As the degree is 1, we are getting one single value for x. Now let us try to solve this question graphically as well. So 2x plus 7 is equal to 45, 2x minus 38 is equal to 0, Let y is equal to 2x minus 38, and as we know that the degree of this equation is 1, so we should be getting a straight line. So we draw two mutually perpendicular lines, plot these points on the graph paper and check whether we're getting a straight line or not. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.